it's Manny here. Today I am gonna show you guys one of my favorite makeup look. Basically, it's my everyday makeup look in this winter. To create a natural look, I didn't use concealer. Also, I replaced foundation by quick whitening cream. Let's start. Firstly, I am going to do my skincare. Applying toner all of your face by cotton pads. Don't forget your neck. Then applying moisturizer all of your face to keep your skin hydrating. Put on some eye cream onto the under eye area and smelling line. I use vitamin C day cream to lightening my skin tone up. That's my skincare procedure before makeup. Starting, apply quick whitening cream out of your face and neck. Using a sponge to create a lightweight look. I forgot to put on my lip balm. Applying sunscreen all of your face and neck for a better coverage.
Found myself waking in the same clothes, shaking from my temple to my ankles. Sunny, but I need another raincoat. Waiting by a payphone. Finally, I coughed up some awful information that
I use contour stick for contouring. Applying contour stick on the side of your face, flooring your bone structure, and also onto the side of your nose bridge and under the tip of your nose. Then using the sponge to blend the product in a tapping motion. This would give you a natural contour look.
hear it all the time, but I'm quiet when you make me fade.
Moving on to the brow, start by applying dark brown color to define your eyebrow. Using the split brush to blend the harsh line. Then, applying tiny strokes into the corner of your brows. Use the split brush to blend it into a softened look. For a long-lasting look, I used colored eyebrow gel. Moving on to the eyes, starting apply pearl white color over your eyelids. Then use the pinkish warm brown color. Apply it above the inner and outer corner of your crease and your outer lower lash line. Soften it with your fingers. Apply tiny amount of pinkish shimmer inside the crease to soften it. And put some clear shimmer onto the inner corner of your lower lash line. Draw a thin eyeliner right above the eyelash by liquid eyeliner. Make it out of your outer corner. After you curling your lash, apply mascara onto the upper lash. Also, you can apply it onto lower lash. Separating the liquid highlighter by your fingers. Apply it to the area that under the eyebrows, nose bridge, cheekbones, and your chin.
I don't think I've been this nervous with the cold drain.
Apply berry color blush under your eyes. Connect it by nose. Blend it onto the area under the eyebrows.
Hanging by a sentence at the drugstore.
Soften it by brush and sponge.
make my own shit, but I love yours. Fuck, I really love yours.
Use a lash brush to separate your eyelash and put on the second layer of mascara for illuminating your eyelash.
Think about is you constantly. That's the hard part. Static on the line. I hear it all the time, but I'm quiet.
Moving on to the lip, use a Q-tip to take off the lip balm. Apply cherry color onto the inner part of your lip. Use a Q-tip to separate it out. Then apply the second layer of same color onto the inner part of your lip and separate it out with Q-tip for a natural look. Applying setting spray all over your face and your neck. Try it with your hands. We are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's my first makeup tutorial. Click the thumb if you like it. Also, you can subscribe me. If you want to follow my social media, please go ahead. I will see you next time. Bye.